Welcome back to Thompson's Garage, episode 3. Not 5 years between episodes this time. Anyway, we're at the racetrack. We're at Orange Valley something or another racetrack. It's a big circle. Say hello, Karina.
Hi.
This is Shawns' car here, but my car is not ready yet. So I actually have a 350Z LS2 swap. Sean, who is there, the white guy with the white shirt. Don't get him confused with the other white guy in the other white shirt. It's that guy. Anyway, but I thought since, this is a car channel, and since my car's not ready, which is extremely boring, who wants to see me just go around in the car doing nothing, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, so my mum's here from Australia. She's 75 years old. She's never been in a drift car before.
Oh, no.
She's over there. Look, here, Chris, get pictures. See, she's over there just taking pictures of the sunset. The little mountains, the beautiful mountain ranges. So we thought we'd ask Sean, well, I thought I'd ask Sean because she didn't know if he would give her a quick little cheeky lap around the racetrack. Thoughts?
You're crazy.
Well, then she'll know what it's going to be like when I have my drift car and I crash it into the wall, right?
Yes.
So let's go ask Sean. Sean, can we ask you something? Okay, Sean, so we want to do a Make-A-Wish today. No, I'm kidding. So my mum is 75. She's never been in a drift car, and we thought it'd be funny to just have you whip her around the lap.
Just throw her in the pro car. That's the scariest car of all time for her first time.
We took her to Disney the other day. We put
that.
her on Magic Mountain.
Yeah.
And my sisters were like, you are out of your fucking mind. She's 75 years old. What are you doing?
Yeah.
But I figure we should chuck her in the drift car.
Hey, I'm down for it if she is, man.
All right, let's get my mum and strap her in then.
Hell yeah.
You got a helmet, right?
Oh, yeah, bud. Let's go.
Perfect.
Hi, Mom. So I have a quick thing for you. Oh, I do, yes.
I
see. The thing is, right, so this is
Yes.
Mom. Her name's Sandy.
Hi.
Yeah, Sandy's great. And she's from Australia and she's visiting. So we just spoke to Sean and he said that you have to get in his car.
I knew you were going to say that. Oh my God.
It's just like Magic Mountain all over again.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
you down?
Okay.
Okay, well, she said okay. It's on camera.
Okay. All right.
Okay, here we go. Sign a waiver. Signed. Signed. Okay, let's go.
Okay, her first drift. We got Thompson setting his mom up over here.
Just throwing her in.
Yeah, he's just throwing her right out there to the wolves, man. Going in the pro car for her first lap. So
Oh my
I'm
God.
gonna do a little nut and bolt check to this thing, change some tires, and throw in here and see how she likes it.
You sure the tires are on properly?
Oh yeah, we gotta make sure they're torqued properly. I don't want them falling off on us out there.
First time in a drift car.
First time ever,
my
she's going
God.
in an 800 horsepower pro drift car. So yeah,
Wow.
she's crazy.
I am crazy.
High
You
five.
got that right.
I love that.
I'm 74 and counting.
Still not scared of drifting, so that goes
Oh,
to
I
show
don't know
you,
about
it's
that.
never too late to start.
All right, so before we throw Mum in the drift car, we're gonna have Tomas here, our little buddy. He's gonna bring out a piece of paper. He's gonna bring a piece of paper out and then tell her to waive her rights away just in case of death. Just a little bit of extra fear
You're
to
a
the
psychopath.
experience.
I got you.
You got it? You got us? You got what do you got? You got like some clipboard in there or something? Yeah, he just needs a pen and some paper.
He is crazy.
All right, we're good. All right, liability for a drift day. We got name and signature.
Yes.
All right, let's go there. Before you get on the car, I will need you to
Yes.
sign a liability waiver just in case you get hurt and you
I
kind of,
need
So you can sign that.
Okay.
Yeah. So you gotta sign.
Okay.
Very official looking document you got there.
Oh, very, very
Professionals. We're
official.
professionals here.
There
Thank
you
you.
go.
Appreciate you. You
Done.
be safe and you have fun, okay?
Oh, thank you very much.
We got,
Let's go.
She becomes famous. We got a signature.
So how much are you going to sell it for?
Millions.
Oh, yeah, I see how it is. Are you ready?
No.
So apparently there may be a loose bolt or something going on, so we're just digging underneath right now to find out what's the problem is, but she'll be all right.
This
It
is-
all should hold together.
This is very reassuring.
No, it's totally fine. I think it looks fine, right? That looks all right.
Okay.
I don't think there's any issues.
We're man. We break, we fix, and we break again.
Exactly, nothing to worry about here.
I can see that. I'm full of confidence.
So when you put a helmet on,
Yeah.
you grab it. You grab it like this.
Yeah.
You pull it, and then you pull it on. Right? Once you have it on,
Okay.
see this right here?
Uh-huh.
Boom. And that's it. You pull, you're out. There you go.
Okay.
So go like that. You open it,
Got it.
and then right
Quite
here.
loose, is it? meant to
Yeah,
be?
it's normal.
Yeah. Okay.
There we go. Done.
like Disney.
Okay.
Yeah, you have a whole cage, so you're good.
whole cage in there. It's even safer than
Yeah, honestly, safer than a normal
Safer
car.
than
It is
Disney.
safer than a normal car.
Oh my God.
You'll enjoy it. Have you ever been in a drift car?
No.
Oh, you're gonna love it. You're just gonna be like, okay, when are you guys gonna get down the car? So let's go, take me out.
You're looking very dashing.
Oh, thank you.
Are you excited?
I'm not sure.
I feel like she's shaking. Are you shaking?
Maybe not.
No, actually no. Look at her. She's a professional. Watch now. She'll be like, yeah, Sean, actually, I'm going to drift. I'll show you how to do this thing.
All right, you just kind of straddle your legs in there first.
Okay.
Watch your head, and we're in. All right, so now I'm gonna strap you in real fast.
Okay.
Nice and cozy.
I feel like I'm going to parachute. Oh my God.
I think I'm good to go. I'm gonna hop in. What was that?
The door.
It's
Creaking. It's
Where's
just going
my-
to fall off.
Look, I have a tie holding the door in.
Do I have to hang on to anything?
No.
It was pretty good.
That was awesome. Oh man,
Wow.
that was a good one.
That was cool.
Oh my God, there's so much tire in my eyes.
Oh, good.
Look how close we got to the wall on that one. We destroyed the tail. Look, I told you we hit the wall a little bit. Look at.
Wow. I want to have a go myself.
Yeah, you're crazy.
That's cool.
Yeah, just pass you the keys. You're
enjoyed
driving
that.
next time.
That was great.
Good job. That was
Thank you.
awesome. You're a
Cheers.
trooper,
That
man.
was
We even hit
awesome.
the wall and everything, and
That
you didn't
was
even
cool.
flint. Yeah, just a
That
little
was
bump on it. It wasn't
Yeah.
too crazy in the
That
car.
was great.
Look at back here, look what we did.
Wow.
We actually hit it pretty good. Look at.
Collateral damage.
Oh yeah,
Pretty
look
good.
at that taillight was good before we did that. Was good. Keyword.
How was it?
It was cool, super cool.
See, I told you you should like it.
Yeah.
I guess I think I was.
I'm pretty
I
sure
win.
she said she wanted to drive at the
I
end of
do.
it. So
I
clearly
do.
she liked it a little more than we thought.
Well, now next step is Shawns finishing up our drift car.
Yep.
So
yep.
we should have it in a couple of weeks, right?
So we're doing his fuel system right now. We're doing all the gauges in the dash. We basically got it all rolling. He has all suspension stuff done. So yeah, we're kind of at the home stretch. Pretty exciting. Gonna take it to our boys actually at DeFi over there, put on their dyno, see how much power it makes, and throw Karina and Thompson in there.
Yeah, then we're gonna start
and probably
competing.
Thompson's mom now.
Yeah, hey babe, there we go. Be me, you versus my mum now.
Yeah, yeah,
I think Mum's gonna win.
yeah.
You think?
This is gonna-
Yeah, well, she's.
We'll see. I'm in for this. Are we taking bets? I'm on her team too. I'm gonna give her the keys to the Z for this competition.
We'll catch you guys later.